guys, Roblox and Gacha Fan here, and today we are just going to end up playing Subway Surfers because I don't see why not. And just yesterday, Subway Surfers decided to hold on. Just yesterday, Subway Surfers decided to delete my progress, and now I have to start all over again. And trust me guys, it's not cool. It's the saddest thing ever. It's like super duper sad because I had some pretty good stuff, and now all of it's deleted due to the fact that it reset me. And I am not happy about it, since I've been playing for a while and I had a lot of coins and stuff. So it was really sad for me. Not for you guys, because, you know, I don't think that's happened to you before, but if it has, I feel your pain and I understand, because it happened to me just yesterday. And it just happened, and to have a lot of stuff and then reset it, it's really sad, because like, you had a lot of coins, you had a lot of stuff, and then it just resets, and then you don't have all those coins and stuff anymore. And it's sad, because I had all the way up to, I only had to get I only had to get this. I was all the way up to there. And then, sorry. I had a lot of hoverboards and stuff because I watch videos. It was really sad for me because I didn't have all my stuff anymore. So it was really sad. And I mean, I'm fine now, but then I was really mad because it reset my whole entire progress, and I could have, you know, done a lot of stuff. Like, I could have bought stuff and stuff like that. By the way, ignore this ad. It's just a water bottle ad, so I'm just going to do this. Yep, there. And that's going to try and make me download it, which I'm not going to. I might end up doing a Subway Surfer story, if I have an idea for a story, because I know how people on TikTok, they do Subway Surfer stories, and the only reason I know that is because I don't have TikTok personally myself. Like, I don't have TikTok, but my friends do, and they send me TikToks a lot. And I seen one of these Subway Surfer ones, and I'm like, oh, that's cool. Maybe I'll try and do one of those on my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to see that, let me know, because Subway Surfers is a fun game, and I might just make like a story out of it, just like playing it. That would be so cool. Just having like a little, well, no, not game, story, playing Subway Surfers. I think that would be cool. So, like I said, comment down below Subway Surfer stories if you want to see that. And yeah, I just want to try and do like Subway Surfer stories because that seems fun and I think you guys will like it. All you like TikTok fans, people who watch TikTok and stuff, like, you know what I'm trying to say, like people that watch TikTok and that, watch TikTok like daily, honestly, would really understand what I mean by like TikTok fans. Like people that watch TikTok a lot. Sorry, I'm really trying to like focus on the game more than talking because I don't want to get run. Yet I did because there's nowhere to go. Nowhere to go at all. Oh, so is this a Harry Potter video? Oh my gosh, it is. Cool. It's a Harry Potter video. I think after this video, I'll try and record a video of me playing MSP on my phone because I cannot record on my computer and attach it to my phone. Well, I mean, actually, yes, I can. I just have to send it to my phone and then post it, which is not too hard. So I might just do that. Don't mind me just playing the demo games. I always do that because they're kind of fun. Trust me, they're boring. They're just, they never really do anything for, like, sometimes they're fun, but then, like, when you download the game, they're not that fun, and, yeah, like, why make the demo fun, but your game isn't actually fun? Oh, by the way, I accidentally went the wrong way. That was the by the way. If you guys want to see a video of me voice acting my characters, trust me, I got you. Because I do voice acting here and there, not a lot, but sometimes. It's not a common thing for me, but I do know how to voice act. Sorry, my other video cut off. Anyways, I know how to voice act, but I'm not that good since I'm new to the whole voice acting thing. It's a new thing to me. But if you want to hear my best friend voice act, that's different. But yeah, comment down below if you want to see a Subway Surfer video. Well, a Subway Surfer story time. And I'll do that. And I'm going to go record another, well, first I'm going to edit this video, and then I'm going to record another video, and I am in 6th place. That's nice. Okay, anyways, I'm going to end this here. I'm going to go edit my video. Bye!